Sorry about that. We had a little snafu with the recording. Just wanted to remind you that you have got a tribe of people here at the high school that you can reach out to, caring adults. Hopefully, you have one adult at the high school that you feel comfortable going to. We always say that with mental health, if you're struggling, what you don't want to do is nothing. You want to make sure you're doing something. You want to make sure you're talking to people and finding the help that you need. The last couple slides are just some resources for you guys. We included some QR codes so you can hop on to these sites and sort of take what you need. So Make It Okay is a campaign to help reduce stigma around the topic of mental health. Oftentimes we don't know what to say when people are struggling, and so it gives some really good ideas of what to say that would be helpful so that people struggling really feel heard. And then there's also personal stories for folks who have struggled with mental illness and how they've gotten through it or mental health issues. And lastly, there's a toolkit that you can go on to and sort of take what you need. There's a calendar of events for May. You could hop on there and then from now until the end of May, use the calendar to try some new things and positive coping to, build your toolkit and make sure you lay that solid foundation for when things aren't going well, that you've got, these tools that you can use to help lift you back to a healthy place. So thanks so much for listening today. And just know that your counselors are here for you. Please come down and talk with us if needed. And we hope you guys have a great Thursday. Thanks.